So this is the busy road that can keep you awake at night. That was my room up there. You can hear the noise on the cobbles. Really quite noisy. There's a small shop on the corner here which is useful for little bits and pieces, and you go down to Almirante Ola, which is where the hostel is, which is a much quieter street, and there's a bistro cafe just on the corner, so good location. Right, this hostel is 30 minutes walk from the train station if you come in that way. This is the hostel. It's the Oasis Hostels Backpackers Palace. It says it's one of Europe's famous hostels. This is the entrance. I have a big map here saying where we are and the places that you might want to go and visit. It's a good location actually. It's not far from anywhere. All the main tourist areas are in this corner here, and local areas across the river and to the west basically. So this is a 4-bunk room, and you get somewhere to hold your things, a light and a charger. Now the view from this 4-bunk room is a really busy street actually, and I have to confess it's quite noisy. Facilities are good. This is the toilet for my room. It's bidet, shower. In the general areas. Kitchen. On the top floor we have the bar. For your breakfast. There are 200 beds here on 3 floors, so you can see it's quite a big hostel. They do have hostels in other parts of Lisbon and in fact Spain. Generally speaking, it's quite a big one, and if the people are quiet during the evenings, then it's a good hostel. The facilities are good, the toilets are clean, the kitchen's adequate, there's lots of eating places. Obviously the deals of happy hour from 5 till 7 o'clock in the evening on the terrace by the pool has been a big hit with everybody. I've spent hours and hours just sitting there chatting to people, drinking sangria or having a small bottle of beer for €1. It's been a really good focus of community basically, and communications. It's been really good. So yeah, that's definitely a big plus for this hostel. And yeah, despite the noise that I'm getting at night time from this very small street, apart from that, it's recommended. I really do recommend this place. It's really not far from anywhere, and staff are friendly. They don't do any evenings in the way of pub crawls. They do advertise it, but they don't actually do it. Maybe it's a COVID restriction and they haven't got the staff. So it's pretty much, they open the bar at 5 o'clock in the evening for 2 hours for happy hour, and apart from that, that's about the only social thing that they actually engage in. But apart from that, it's good. The breakfast is a choice of English breakfast, Spanish breakfast, and a healthy breakfast. The English breakfast was off at the time. You can have unlimited drinks in the way of coffee and tea and juices in the morning at that time. So, I think it's 8 o'clock till 11 o'clock in the morning. But yeah, it's good.